Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Motions Biz, and today I have a very interesting topic to discuss, and I think this will really help a lot of us who are Navy Federal members and have questions about the pledge loan and why do we really have to pay 90% or is it really reporting? And a question has been raised which prompted this video, and I will share that question here. And I will also share screenshots of my own accounts with the pledge loans with Navy Federal to show you what is exactly going on with those pledge loans. So stay tuned and we will get there, and we can also share ideas so we all learn more things about the pledge loan and to really see if it's really worth it, okay? And of course, before we get started, just a shout out to all the new subscribers and for the ones who are very regular in this channel. And just remember, I really, really continue to appreciate you because you continue to inspire me to make videos, you know this. But then when a question is raised, I just feel that it needs a detailed answer as well. So this person's question, I haven't answered yet in the comment section because I just thought he raised a very important topic. And so I think to discuss that here so we have a better understanding of how the pledge loan works and see if it's really worth it. And I keep saying that, but you know, why is that pledge loan very popular? So anyway, before we continue, a question to start with. Have you ever checked your full credit report? And I am not talking about Credit Karma, Experian, or whatever, Credit Sesame, or whatever it is, easy and free monitoring service that you used, okay? Now, a full report that you can get from the credit bureau, remember, is very different. It is very detailed. It shows you all the payments that you have made on a particular loan, the status of the loan, the amount of the loan, and whether it is current or not. And guess what? One late payment, and that will affect your credit score because credit bureaus, they do not share your full report to you like as in complete, okay? Now, if you ask for a complete report, you will be able to see that. But all these credit reports, the full and complete credit reports, remember, will include an outline of each and every account you have and the payments. And I think you've seen that, you know, as a sample, it will indicate whether every month you are paying your account, whether it is current. If there is a late payment, you bet that will be reported on your credit report. Another thing I would add to you before I show you my own credit report and status of the pledge loans that I made with Navy Federal, I will show you that here, okay? But as a background, just let me share with you that aside from being a physical therapist, a registered life insurance agent, I was also a licensed mortgage broker. And, you know, sometimes you just have to dabble into things that interest you. And I was just really interested in those things. Now, if you apply for a home loan, a mortgage, remember the credit report that these companies will pull. Now, there are different kinds of credit reports. Mortgage companies, when it is a bigger loan, remember, they can get a more detailed information about you, okay? What will show on that credit report is a lot more than you think and more than what you can easily see when you request for a credit report. It will outline a lot more things about your status, there's a lot more information that you see there. And if you are a licensed mortgage broker or a realtor or in the financial industry, banks, you know, you will know what I'm talking about. I know that all of us have been informed and we have been very familiar with the 90% hack that we have to pay off the pledge loan. So it shows on our credit report, right? And why is that important? It can show that you have a loan that is good for either 12 months, 24 months, or 36 months, but it is already 90% paid off, 75%, 60%. It just makes you look good with lenders that is the term of your loan. It is further out because it will also tell you the start date of that loan. And when they would see that you are already paid 90% off, or it doesn't have to be 90%. I know that, you know, we are kind of conditioned to that, but it's just a hack that people share and they've been very successful with it, is that would show how much of that loan is already paid off. Okay, so it will also tell you your utilization. Okay, with some of your revolving accounts like credit cards, you can actually see the utilization. Now, if it is a lending company that would pull that credit report, it is a lot more detailed. But I will share snippets of what you can see so you will understand how credit works and how it is being reported when it comes to some of these accounts that you have. So it will give you a better idea of what to do in the future, and so it can help build your credit profile. Show you something about what I'm talking about when I say utilization and the percentage of the loan that is already paid off. And here it is. Let me show you that. And this is my own actual accounts. Okay, a few of my accounts here that I would show you so you would have an idea. And this one is from Credit Karma, because Credit Karma is quite a shortcut, but you can see your utilization and the percentage of the loan that is already paid off. So it will just help you out. Okay, so if you have Credit Karma and have used Credit Karma before, it's, it's not the best, but at least it will just give you an idea. Check your Credit Karma reports on each. I think they do Equifax and TransUnion, but still, even if Credit Karma is not perfect, it's a Vantage score, but it will give you an idea that yes, they are reporting utilization and percentage paid off. So check yours out, okay? Check it out and let me know in the comment section what you see. Since we have already confirmed that credit bureaus do report utilization and percentage of the loan payment paid off, let's go to the reporting of monthly payments, okay? The reporting of whether your account is current and what you have on that credit report that lenders will see, okay? So here is my first pledged loan in 2021. And honestly, I did not know that with that amount, I could have gone for 12 months. But I didn't know then. It's a learning process. But the cool thing is that Navy Federal reported 14 months of history for this pledged loan. Now, if you get a chance to check out your own pledged loan on your credit history, let me know if yours reported the expected number of months for the amount of pledged loan you did. So because I think that would be a really great information to find out from other members. So let me know, okay? And now that I have presented you with my own snapshots, screenshots of my own accounts, of my own pledge loan accounts, and as you can see, my pledge loans were not high amounts, okay? They were just 500, I think. I did not go for a lot there, but it has still helped my profile with Navy Federal. So what you can do is that it is totally up to you to check your own credit report, your full credit report, and see if your pledge loan is reporting. And guess what? I bet you can, okay? You would be able to see that if your account is in good standing, your account is good for, it will show the term of your secured loan, of your pledge loan, and a lot more details there that you will see. And if ever you are late in payment, so on my the screenshot of my own pledge loan, that will report as a late payment, and any late payments you have will surely get reflected on that report. So let me know what you think. Is it really worth doing a pledge loan based on the things that you already know? And of course, the decision is yours. Nobody can dictate what you want to do with your own credit profile to improve it, to boost it, okay? But me, I am just another Navy Federal member wanting to share my own status, my own thoughts, my own experience with Navy Federal, and trying to kind of elucidate a little bit more based on my own experience, okay? So hopefully it would enlighten you, but it is still your prerogative to make decisions, okay? So let me know what you think, okay, about this question as well. So anyway, thank you again for tuning in. For my dear subscribers, I really appreciate you very much. Motions Biz here, signing off, and until next time.